Welcome to Kids Igbo class.
Hello, 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 how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Welcome to another time with Teacher Princess. I am so happy today. How do you feel? That's what we're talking about today. We're going to learn how to say how we feel in Igbo. Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you angry? Are you sleepy? How do you feel? That's what we're learning today. And I am so eager. We have a quiz at the end of the lesson. So make sure you watch to the end and that you get your quiz right. We're here now. So we're here to say how we feel in Igbo. Are you ready? Let's go. Here we say iwe na-ewe. Can you say iwe na-ewe? Oh, very good. I am angry. Let me see your angry face. Iwe na-ewe. Okay? Next is the happy face. I am happy. Let me see your happy face. How do we say it? We say obi dị m aṅụrị. Obi dị m aṅụrị. Okay? Very good. I am happy, 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 happy. Obi dị m aṅụrị. Very well. Next is I am thankful. Have you ever been thankful to someone for doing something nice to you before? You can say enwere m obi ekele. Enwere m obi ekele. I am thankful. Next is I don't want. When you don't want something, how do you say it? Achogim. Again, achogim. I don't want. Achogim. Did you see that? Now let me see your face for you don't want. Oh, achogim. Very good. Next is I'm tired. Ah, ike agwụla m. Ike agwụla m. I am tired. Ike agwụla m. Ike agwụla m. Very good. You got it right. Next is I'm confused. I'm confused. Ọ gbara m gharị. Again. Ọ gbara m gharị. I'm confused. Ọ gbara m gharị. Good job. Next is I'm worried. Oh, I'm worried. Enwere m nchegbu. Enwere m nchegbu. I am worried. That's how to say you're worried in Igbo. Enwere m nchegbu. Next is I'm shocked. Oh, o juru m anya. O juru m anya. I'm shocked. O juru m anya. Can you say o juru m anya? Very good. Next is I'm sad. Let me see your sad face. Take a picture of your sad face and send it in the comments. Let me see. I am sad. Anọ m na mwute. Anọ m na mwute. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Anọ m na mwute. I am sad. Next is I'm scared. Let me see your scared face. Ụjọ na-atụ m. Again. Ụjọ na-atụ m. I am scared. Ujo na-atụ. Okay. Next is I'm shy. I don't want you to see my face. I'm shy. How do we say it? Ihere na-eme. Ihere na-eme. Again. Ihere na-eme. I am shy. Ihere na-eme. Next is I'm hungry. My stomach. I want to eat. Agụ na-agụ m. I am hungry. Agụ na-agụ m. I am hungry. The next is, oh, I feel sleepy. I want to sleep. Oh, I feel sleepy. What do we say? Ụra na-atụ. Ụra na-atụ m. I feel sleepy. I am sleepy. Ụra na-atụ m. Can you say that? Okay, you did a good job. Well done. Now it's time for the feeling squeeze. So how do you feel today? Can you tell me how you feel today? If you don't know how you feel, you don't know how to say it, rather, go back to the video and watch it again so you can say how you feel today. Now let's go to our quiz. You're going to look at the pictures and imagine you are this person, and then you're going to say how you feel. Now look, imagine you're this boy. Kedu ka ọ dị gị? Kedu ka ọ dị gị? How do you feel? Kedu ka ọ dị gị? How do you feel? Iwe ọ na-ewe gị? Are you angry? Ụra ọ na-atụ gị? Are you sleepy? How do you feel? Now look at the next one. Tell me how you feel. Imagine you're this girl. Kedu ka ọ dị gị? Kedu ka ọ dị gị? How do you feel? Obi aṅụrị a na-eme gị? I don't know. Are you happy? Ụjọ ọ na-atụ gị? Are you scared? Tell me, how do you feel? Agụụ ọ na-agụ gị? Are you hungry? Look at the picture and tell me how you feel. Did you get your quizzes right? If you did, clap for yourself. Very, very good. Get a copy of the feelings flashcard in our seller store by using the link down below in the description or in the comments, and then you can also enroll now. We're currently enrolling children for the next cohort of our group classes for children. It begins in January. You will see the details all on your screen right now. Do the needful immediately. In our group classes, you get opportunity to have more quizzes, more questions, more answers, more fun, loads of fun and engaging things to make it so worthwhile. You can also enroll for our one-on-one classes if you want individualized attention for you or your child. You can come into our one-on-one classes. The details are also displayed on your screen. That will be all for today. Till I see you in the next class, don't stop speaking Igbo. Kodi.